Hey everyone, I'm grill lover and grill photographer Mike Lang. One of my favorite days to mark as we push through spring while focusing on summer is Cinco de Mayo. It's a day I love to celebrate, and not surprisingly, I do it around the grill. This year, no different. We're gonna grill a build-your-own fajita bar, beer-marinated flank steak, tequila-marinated chicken thighs, grilled salsa, and street corn. I'm really excited about it, so let's get to it. When it comes to grilling, I think sometimes we kind of get caught up on the main course, but I think everything should have a chance to touch the grill, even sides. And that's why today, we're grilling salsa. Get creative with whatever vegetables you have on hand, or check out my recipe on Weber.com. I like to keep it simple, so I've got Roma tomatoes, some serrano or jalapenos for heat, and then some red onion. Grill 10 to 12 minutes over direct medium-high heat, around 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Then blend together with garlic, cilantro, and lime. It's simple, smoky, and delicious. And now for the main event. I want to make sure I've got plenty of options, so I'm including both beef and chicken, as well as plenty of vegetables. I'm using flank steak and boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Both have extraordinary flavor. However, I'm going to use a marinade to help liven up the surface of the meats. I like to marinate using a plastic bag. It makes things just a lot easier. So I'll place that into a bowl, and then I'll add my marinade ingredients. Place that into the bag. For the chicken thighs, the same thing. I'll use my plastic bag, I'll add my marinade ingredients, then the chicken thighs. I'll get out as much air from the bag as possible. With both bags sealed up, place them flat and then put them in the fridge for about 4 hours. Cut the peppers into planks and the onions into slices. The corn, peppers, and onions all take about the same amount of time, so we can start them together. We're grilling over direct medium heat, 350 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll place them on the grill in order of their time. So that way the peppers take about 6 minutes, the onion around 10, and the corn more towards 15. Be sure to flip them as they cook. Remove them all when tender and marked. Chop up the onions and the peppers, and then I'll put it into a packet of aluminum foil to keep warm until we're ready to eat. Remove the steak and chicken from the marinade. Grill the steak and chicken over direct medium heat, 350 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, about 8 to 10 minutes, flipping once. Cook until the steak is medium rare. I like to pull at an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit. And then the chicken is cooked through with an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from the grill and allow to rest. And something extra I like to do, heat the tortillas on the grill for 30 seconds aside and then store in a foil packet until ready to eat. Cut the chicken and steak against the grain and into strips. And ready the corn by slathering this mixture of mayo, sour cream, and chipotle seasoning. My finishing touch is always a little bit of grilled squeezed lime. The key to a successful fajita bar is choice, and we've got plenty of it. I mean, you could do steak and chicken, just steak, just chicken, or the vegetarian route. You could do vegetables and cheese. Even though we can't come together like we usually do to celebrate Cinco de Mayo, there's no reason we can't fire up our grills and enjoy all this delicious food.